Have you ever wondered if a small investment in a meme token could change your life? It's a question that's crossed the minds of countless crypto enthusiasts, especially as stories of overnight millionaires make headlines. The world of cryptocurrency is full of surprises, and sometimes, the most unexpected coins capture the imagination of millions. 5 million Shiba Inu tokens cost less than a fancy dinner, but could they one day be worth a fortune? It's a tempting thought. Imagine trading a single meal for a shot at financial freedom. The low entry price makes it accessible to almost anyone, fueling dreams of turning pocket change into life-changing wealth. The journey of Shiba Inu has been a wild ride. Some early holders struck gold, while others are still waiting for their moment. Prices have soared and crashed, fortunes have been made and lost, and the emotional roller coaster has left many wondering if they should hold on or cash out. The volatility is both thrilling and nerve-wracking, making every day in the market an adventure. This isn't just about wishful thinking, it's about understanding the real forces shaping crypto. Behind every price movement are powerful trends, market psychology and global events that influence the value of tokens like SHIB. To truly grasp the potential, you need to look beyond the hype and dig into the fundamentals. Shiba Inu's ecosystem is evolving fast, with new tech, token burns, and ambitious projects on the horizon. Developers are working tirelessly to expand the platform, introducing features that could set SHIB apart from other meme coins. Each innovation brings new possibilities and fresh excitement to the community. Developers are building beyond the meme. Think blockchain, decentralized exchange, and even a metaverse. These advancements aren't just for show, they're designed to create real utility and lasting value. The vision is to transform SHIB from a simple joke into a powerful digital asset with a thriving ecosystem. These aren't just buzzwords, they could add real value and turn your SHIB into a significant asset. As the ecosystem grows, so does the potential for your investment to appreciate. It's about more than speculation. It's about being part of a movement that's shaping the future of finance. Today, we'll break down the latest developments, from price charts to whale activity, and what they mean for your 5 million SHIB. We'll explore the trends, the risks, and the opportunities that could impact your holdings, giving you the insights you need to make informed decisions. This isn't financial advice, it's about empowering you with knowledge. Our goal is to help you navigate the complex world of crypto with confidence so you can decide what's best for your financial future. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of what holding SHIB could mean for your future. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, let's dive in and discover if this dream could one day become your reality. Crypto price charts can look chaotic at first glance, with lines zigzagging and numbers constantly shifting. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data and the rapid pace of change in the crypto world. But beneath the surface, these charts are telling a story. One that reveals the ongoing tug-of-war between buyers and sellers, and the subtle signals that can hint at what's coming next, if you know how to read them. Right now, SHIB has been consolidating, trading in a tight range as bulls and bears battle it out for control. This sideways movement means neither side has gained the upper hand, and the price is coiling like a spring, ready for its next move. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is hovering around 50, which is a classic sign of market indecision. It's not showing overbought or oversold conditions, but rather a balance, almost like the market is holding its breath. The MACD indicator also reflects this standoff, with its lines closely intertwined and no clear crossover. This lack of momentum in either direction suggests traders are waiting for a catalyst. These technicals suggest a big move could be coming soon, but the direction isn't clear yet. It's a tense moment as everyone waits to see which side will blink first. For SHIB holders, this is a time of anticipation, not action. Many are glued to their screens, watching for any sign that could tip the balance. The indicators aren't screaming buy or sell, they're whispering wait and watch. Sometimes the smartest move is to do nothing and let the market reveal its hand. If positive news hits, this period of stability could quickly launch a price surge, catching many off guard and rewarding those who stayed patient. But negative sentiment or a sudden market shock could just as easily push SHIB's price down, so risk management is key. Understanding these tools won't make you a fortune teller, but it will make you a smarter, more prepared investor. Technical analysis is about stacking the odds in your favor, not guaranteeing outcomes. So, stay alert for the next signal. Set your alerts, keep your strategy in mind, and be ready to act when the market finally makes its move. Sometimes, patience is the best strategy. In crypto, waiting for the right moment can be just as powerful as making a bold move. The market's next move could define your SHIB's future, so watch closely and be ready for whatever comes next. In the world of crypto, burning tokens is a unique process that means making them permanently scarce. When a token is burned, it's intentionally removed from circulation, never to return. This is done by sending tokens to a special address, often called a dead wallet, and where they can't be accessed or spent by anyone. For SHIB, this process is a really big deal. It's not just a technical move, it's a core part of the project's strategy to increase value for holders and create excitement in the community. The original supply of SHIB was a staggering 1 quadrillion tokens, an almost unimaginable number that made SHIB one of the most abundant cryptocurrencies ever created. But over time, massive burns have already removed hundreds of trillions of tokens from circulation, shrinking the available supply and making each remaining token a little more rare. Every time SHIB is sent to a dead wallet, it's gone forever. This permanent removal means the rest of the tokens become more valuable, since there are fewer to go around. Shibarium, SHIB's Layer 2 blockchain, takes this a step further by automating burns. It uses transaction fees to buy and destroy tokens, making the process seamless and ongoing. The more people use the SHIB ecosystem, whether trading, staking, or making transactions, the more SHIB gets burned, directly linking activity to scarcity. For holders, this slow and steady reduction in supply is crucial. It's a mechanism that rewards patience and long-term belief in the project. It's a long-term game. As supply drops and demand rises, price could follow. This is the classic principle of scarcity driving value. Even small daily burns, which might seem insignificant at first, add up over time and can have a major impact on the overall supply. The Great SHIB burn is about building value, one token at a time. Each burn, no matter how small, contributes to the bigger picture, so keep an eye on the burn rate. It's one of the most important signals for SHIB's future potential and a key metric for every serious investor. Shiba Inu has grown from a meme into a digital ecosystem with real ambitions. The SHIB metaverse lets users own land, create, and interact in a virtual world, using SHIB, leash, and bone for transactions. ShibaSwap, the decentralized exchange, gives holders ways to earn, stake, and participate in governance. Shibarium makes everything faster and cheaper, boosting usability. Real-world adoption is growing, with more merchants accepting SHIB as payment. Each new project adds utility and demand for the token. For 5 million SHIB holders, this ecosystem growth is the real story. It's about moving from meme to meaningful utility. The future value of SHIB depends on this evolution. What's SHIB's future price? No one knows for sure, but expert and AI predictions offer a range of possibilities. Optimists see supply burns and ecosystem growth driving SHIB to shed more zeros. In the best case, 5 million SHIB could become a substantial sum. Skeptics point to the huge supply and tough competition, predicting slower growth. Some models suggest SHIB may only rise with a major crypto bull run. Realistically, your 5 million SHIB's value lies between these extremes. If the team delivers and the community stays strong, big gains are possible, but not guaranteed. Balance hope with a clear view of the risks. In crypto, whales, big holders, can move markets. When whales accumulate SHIB, it's often a bullish sign, showing confidence in the project. Recent on-chain data shows whales buying during dips, betting on a rebound. For everyday holders, this can be reassuring, but whale sell-offs can also trigger sharp drops. Decentralized ownership helps reduce whale impact, making the market more stable. The SHIB Army's collective strength balances out big players. Exchange listings, like on Coinbase or Binance, boost liquidity and visibility. Delays in listing other tokens can cause uncertainty. Watching whale moves and exchange news helps you understand market forces. Use this info to stay informed, not to blindly follow the crowd. SHIB's greatest asset is its passionate global community, the SHIB Army. This decentralized force drives innovation, adoption, and resilience. Community-led projects keep the ecosystem evolving, but can also lead to slow decisions or echo chambers. The challenge: turning hype into real-world utility. For SHIB to thrive, it must deliver applications people actually use, not just speculation. The future of your 5 million SHIB depends on this shift from excitement to utility. Community strength is powerful, but utility is essential. That's the real test ahead. We've explored SHIB's price, burns, ecosystem, and community. Holding 5 million SHIB is more than an investment. It's a stake in a living project. The future is uncertain, shaped by innovation, community, and market trends. Stay curious and keep learning. The crypto world moves fast. Use sources like Shiba Insights to stay ahead. Knowledge is your best tool. Your journey is personal. Make decisions based on research and your own goals. The value of SHIB is about more than money. It's about being part of something new. The next chapter is unwritten, and you're in the front row.